okay, I'm just a white kid. Mohawk flow amid, not front and no lid. Shyer than can be, you can look to me. I came from the shithole, filled with shit, it's dull. Living life by the days, fuck it, this my ways. It's my calling, I'm just ballin'. Out here trying to figure life, but what's left when it's all been done before? Guess I'll chill with my knife. Nothing's new, nothing's my way, it's a bore. You see, I don't drink or smoke, cause I'm too smart. Don't use and abuse, I'm off the chart. Not your average dude, but see, I am quite rude. Most of the time, too crude. Not to say I won't act out, or be crazy all about. I just wanna get out this place, and I need to do so with grace, or else I'll be like cocaine, laced. I need education, but I'll fuck school. When you think you're too cool, everything is easier when you're young. Everything is better with mom wiping your bum. No worries, no regrets, nothing but open life bets. No, I'm not playing, this is for everyone out there who knows what I'm saying and has a care. I just for the kids, the teens, and adults like me who think they are as hopeless as can be. Just remember, do you, because you're free. Life is better than you think and can see. Look to me, I ain't frontin' like fakes. I ain't in the street stakes, not running illegals. Just in the ranks like Crosby, making a better life, see. Working, what it do, but what do you do? All I hear is people with the chirps. Damn, you think they're parrots, look, they erps. Tell me this is stupid, think I'm real dumb shit. But my flow the shit, you real dumb. What we make, you won't get a breadcrumb. What the world has got for me is unknown. Life's just a bitch, me and my homies bone. You can tell from how far I've come, we grown. Yo, so get the name out. Growing about, white boy honky, white boy all day. White boys away, but what do you say? What?